how to write off bad debts in QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can write off bad debts in QuickBooks. So the first step is to log in into your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. So on this page, you would see different options. You will see the home page, you will see cash flow. Then once that is done, the next step or the next thing to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options such as dashboards, transactions, sales, expenses, customers and leads report, VAT, my accountant, etc. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen, to the top left side of the screen, sorry, where you can see some options. Just go ahead and click on the settings option. Now, after clicking on the settings option in this box, you will see accounts and settings, manage users, custom form styles, charts of account. Just go ahead and click on charts of account. And then you wait for the charts of accounts page to load. So once you're on this page, you can see your chart of accounts, you can see all of the debts and all of the assets that you have. So now once you can see this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, move to the top right side where you can see the new button, click on it. Then on this page, under the customers page, you can see options like invoice, receive payment, etc. The next step is to move to the vendors tab or the vendors column and then click on expense. All right, so after clicking on expense, you'll be brought to the expense page. On this page, the next step is to select the payee. All right, and then that is the person with the bad debt. And then the next step is to select the payment account. Under this payment account, you can see the different categories being displayed. And the next step is to click on add new and then type bad debts. All right, so after typing out bad debts, fill in all of this required pages, and then once you're done, move to the lower part of the screen, click on save and close. Then what after you're done with that particular step, the next step is to close out the unpaid invoices. And how can you do this? By going to the customers menu, move to the left side of the screen, and then you can either go to customers and leads and click on customers, or you can just go to the new button again and then click on receive payments. All right, you can just do it directly that way. And here you have to enter in the customer's name in the page displayed and the box displayed, the customer's email, the amount, the payment method, reference number, the amount that was received. Type it in here. You where you to deposit it into memo, attachment, etc. And then once you're done, click on save and close. And then just like that, the bad debts would be written. Just ensure that the customer that you selected under receive payment here is the same customer that you used for your expense notes. Yeah. Ensure it's the same customer and it's be written off. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.